In the rugged plains of 12th century northern India rose a legendary warrior Prithviraj Chauhan, the Rajput king whose courage, battle and tragic end shaped the fate of the subcontinent. Today we journey through his life from throne to terrain. Prithviraj III, properly known as Prithviraj Chauhan, born 28 May 1166, died February 1192, was a king from the Chauhan dynasty ruling Ajmer and Delhi. He was the last independent Hindu ruler of Delhi before the Mughal invasion dramatically changed Indian history. Born to Shamsavara and Queen Kapura Devi and a grandson of Delhi Tomar ruler Anangpal II. At just about age 1177, after his father's death, he inherited the throne with his mother serving initially as regent. He took full control by around 1180 and crushed a rebellion by his cousin Nagarjuna. He expanded his realm from Tanesar in the north to Mewar in the south. He defeated the Badar Nakas 1182 and later the Chandla king Paramadi. This campaign sparked a united threat from the Chandrales and Gadavals. A captivating romance, Sanyogita, daughter of King Jayachandra of Kannauj, eloped with Prithviraj during her Swayamvara, defying her father. Folklore adds that she recognized his valor and chose him, and he rode away with her amid conflict. Facing Muhammad of Ghor at Train, Prithviraj focus achieved a resounding victory. Second battle 1192, Muhammad returned with a strong army and this time defeated Prithviraj. He was captured and later executed. His son Govardhan was placed as a vassal ruler in Ajmer. This defeat marked the beginning of Ghurid dominance over northern India. The medieval epic Prithviraj also embellishes his tale. He said to have shot Mahamuda of Ghor during a stage archery display after being blinded. Historians treat this tale as folklore, but they powerfully shape his legend. Prithviraj is widely remembered as a heroic Rajput king who stood against early Islamic invasions. Celebrated in poems, TV dramas like Dirty Ka Veer Yodha, Prithviraj Chauhan, and even Bollywood's smart Prithviraj. Prithviraj Chauhan life blending historic fact, timeless folklore, and Rajput valor remains emblematic of a kingdom's final stands before new tides swept across the subcontinent. If this story inspired you, like and subscribe for more tales for Indians past, and let me know which historical hero you like to explore next.